Hi friends, my name is Chetan Kumar. Today I'm going to talk about force. So what is the force? It's a push or a pull upon an object resulting from its interactions with another object. So uh, let's take an example of a ball resting on the ground. So uh, we can see that it's resting. So we might think there is no force is applying on that, but uh, there is a there are two forces acting on it. So one is a gravitational force which is trying to pull the ball down towards the core, and one more force is normal force which is trying to pull the ball up uh, uh, towards the sky. So the net force will be zero. So the amount it's both are negligible, but the net force is acting on the ball is zero. So in force we can see that there are two rules, we can say. If the object is stationary and the force is net force is zero, then it will continue to remain at rest. So in our first case, as I mentioned, the ball is stationary, and the net force is zero because one is pulling downwards and the other one is pulling upwards. So then net force is zero. So the ball is not moving and it will remain at the stationary position, and we can see there is no movement. So in the second case, if the object is moving at a uniform velocity and the net force is zero, so then it will remain continue to move at that same uniform velocity. So how we can take this? So let's assume a wheel which is traveling at 2 meters per second, and there is no force applied on it. So the net force is also zero. So it will, if we try to push that tire, it will remain going until there is a force in the opposite direction which stops the tire. Until then this tire keeps on moving no matter what, it won't rest. So if the velocity is not uniform, it will travel to some distance and it will stop because of the friction. So we can see that if there is no net force acting on that tire and it's moving in uniform velocity, it will continue its movement until there is another force applied on the other direction to stop it. There are two types of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. There are some effect of the force. First one is set in motion. If object is moving and if we give some force on that object, it will keep on moving, so the motion will be there. Second one, it changes velocity. So if we take a ball moving at 3 meters per second, and if we apply some other force, it will change its velocity. It might go to 6 meters per second. So the external force made it to change its velocity. So third point says stop the motion. So when the object is moving and if we apply the force in the opposite direction of the movement will stop. So fourth point is changes the direction. So if any object is moving, and if we try to uh, uh, give force from other direction, it will change its direction. So if we take an example of, if the object is moving from south to north, so when it's moving, if we apply some other force, it might change its direction to northeast or north south, northwest. Like that, it will change its direction. So fifth point is it changes the shape. So what it means is, let's take a example of balloon. If we take a balloon, and if we put the pressure on the both sides, the position of the balloon will remain the same, but its shape differs. Thank you.